अभी इंतज़ार है हमारे बर्थडे बॉय का जो हमारे बीच होंगे। केक कटिंग सेरेमनी जब होगी तब कुछ बर्थडे सॉन्ग्स होंगे, तब तक कुछ प्यारे प्यारे नगमे डेडिकेट करते हैं सभी फैमिली मेम्बर्स को।
वेलकम वेलकम सीसी वेलकम। थैंक यू बेटा वीडियो बना जी
So finally we are going to cut the cake, everyone. Go for it. भाई पीछे वाले सभी आगे आ जाएं, बड़े ही प्यारे से मोमेंट है, सभी ने कैप्चर करने हैं।
थोड़ा सा बेटा बस
Please are alive. Happy birthday. ये हमारे हैं आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to
प्यार हो के दामन थाम लूं मैं किसका, क्या मरार हो के दामन थाम लूं मैं किसका, क्या मिसाल हो मैं तेरी नाम लूं मैं किसका, नहीं नहीं कोई सासी birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. लड़काए तुझे हजारों साल ये मेरी है।
एक मिनट थोड़ा सा हाँ मीमा चलाओ
ये मेरी सी मायरा हमारी गीत है जो अपनी दादी के लिए कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ, कुछ प्यारे से शब्द, प्यारे से भाव जो दादी से कहना चाहती हूँ, तो मैं चाहेंगे भाई एक बार एवरीवन मायरा के लिए जोरदार तालियां तो बजा दो भाई। अब तो तालियां भी बज रही, तो बोलना पड़ेगा। Good afternoon everyone. When I was a kid, Dadu used to tell me some stories of God knows what kinds. Crocodiles, monkeys, jungles, terrorists, and how he always used to come home in time for dinner with him. Now, these weren't average stories. These were wild adventures जो मैं wide-eyed होकर बैठी रहती थी और दादू सुनाते थे. One of these stories is the crocodile and the monkey. I think most of you must have heard this story, but मैं फिर से बताऊंगी. There used to live a monkey on a tall jamun tree somewhere in a random jungle. On the tree lived the jamun, the fruit was very sweet. So one day the monkey saw a crocodile who looked tired and hungry, and the monkey offered the crocodile some jamun to eat. Now the crocodile really was pleased by this gesture of the monkey, which brings the first moral of the story, compassion. He's sweeter, and he demanded that the crocodile bring the heart of the monkey over to her so she can eat it. Now the crocodile was adamant that he wouldn't do it, but his wife was forcing him to do so. The Magarmach or the crocodile, he went over to his friend and told him his wife's demands. Now obviously the monkey was offended, लेकिन अंदर से वो करना था, बाहर से और दिमाग से इस पूरी का कनिक था। वो बोलता है चल दे दूँगा तुझे मैं अपना दिल, लेकिन वो पेड़ में मुझे पेड़ से लाना है। अब crocodile बेवकूफ था, उसने monkey को भेज दिया। Monkey पेड़ पे गया और अपने मूल दोस्त को बता रहा था कि वो कितना बेवकूफ़ है कि उसने अपने दोस्त को जाने दिया ऐसे ही बिना दिमाग. Dadu has many achievements in his life, like so many distinctions, awards, DU topper, and he's such a strong man. Like he got surgery and he still came over 1 hour away to meet us when he was in so much pain. And this was at the time of I think my exams, and like मुझे पढ़ना था. But seeing that Dadu came over for me like such a long distance, I obviously wanted to sit with him for some time, talk. So I made up this plan to give a speech on his birthday, which I found out about 2 months earlier. And ever since I told him that I have a book report, and I found out more about his life that I think I would have never thought of. So my great grandfather, Chiranji Lal Sharma, he was a 4-time member of parliament in the 19th century, and he was an amazing man. Like he 3 times heavyweight defeated Sushma Swaraj of BJP party, and like he was an amazing man according to him. Beautiful lady who gave birth to such an amazing man and 6 other kids, peers and artists, businessmen, teachers, principals. I also want to talk about like how much Dadu means to me. Like exams के बीच में I'm so busy and he came over to meet me despite in so much pain. He told me stories as a kid which I didn't pay much attention to at some point. But I value those moments so much. And like one time we were going to Palampur and me and Vanya were like laughing, fighting and doing whatnot. दादू ने एक को आगे भेजा, एक को पीछे भेजा और न्यूज़ पढ़ने लगे. So now since we were talking, we got a little sad. Then we spent more time together. And I remember how Dadi was so angry. Kyori tell her, you're one of my models, and I'm very happy that we're celebrating together with all our family and friends today. And I hope you have a long life. Thank you. Love you.
ये भोला तुम्हारा, ये भोला तुम्हारा, ये मारा और ये शोकी गुरु क्या तुम्हें तलवार की तीरों की बंदर की गुरु क्या तुम्हें तलवार की तीरों की बंदर की मगर पर के फलों किसको वो बंदा को नहीं मिल जाए बना गुरु से कैसे जी निशाना छूट ना जाए बना गुरु से कैसे जी.
One moment, please. Can I have like 5 more minutes of your time? So I'm gonna do a few shout outs of a few people: Mami, Dadi, Nani, and favorite sister I have here. The second shout out is specifically for my Nani and my Mami, Shilpi Bhardwaj and Savita Sharma. Thank you for always being there for me whenever I needed you. And my third shout out is for Samriddhi Sharma, my favorite sister, my eldest sister, and my role model for a very long time. Thank you for always being there for me. My fourth shout out is for my mom, probably my best friend, the most supporting person I have in my life. You are a very special person to me. Thank you, Mummy, so much for always being there for me. When I cry, when I laugh, when I win, when I lose, when I fail, when I'm like confused, when I need motivation. Thank you, Mom, for always being there. And my last announcement is for my Dadi, Babita Sharma. Thank you, Dadi, for making me laugh so much tomorrow with all these ridiculous stories you told me. It was a very funny and good moment for you and I both. And I hope our bond keeps increasing over the years. And I know I may not be able to explain express it so much at this age. But I promise you, one day we are going to have so much fun together, and we can finally call each other our best friends. Thank you.
योगेश गौड़ साहब एक गाना सुनाएंगे, बेटा माइक ला दो।
मैं शायर तो नहीं, मैं शायर तो नहीं, मगर हंसी राजा, मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने उसको, मुझको शायरी आ गई। मैं शायर तो नहीं, प्यार का नाम मैंने सुना था, मगर प्यार क्या है ये मुझको नहीं थी खबर। प्यार तो नहीं, मगर
रेयर ओकेजन होते हैं। इधर इधर
कौन सी बात कब कहाँ और कैसे कही जाती है, ये सलीका हो तो हर बात सुनी जाती है।